यारों का ये कारोबार चल पड़ा है कहाँ, मन में है सोचा हुआ मंजिल वो जाने कहाँ, बस इरादा है ये पाएंगे मंजिल हम, चाहे तो करना पड़े मुश्किलों का सामना। वो हो।
India is singing one tune today, from musicians to godmen, from children to housewives. Words of harmony ringing across the cities in our nation.
What do you think, at this point in time, what should be the government's stand? Don't you think that it is the high time that government should wake up?
There has been a lot of negotiations. It's high time they should come to a decision. And we are here representing the youth of the country. We cannot take any more risk with the education system.
Common people have suffered a lot just because of this political system.
So I want local bills to come over and rule over India.
There is immense support for Anna Hazare from all the quarters of the country and Maharashtra. We have with us right now children from Maswada school, which is a sports school, and these children have come so far. आपको कितना वक्त लगा यहाँ आने के लिए?
हमने रात को 10 बजे तकरीबन सफर शुरू किया था। सुबह के 10 बजे तक हम यहाँ पर पहुँचे थे। अन्ना हज़ारे के कंधे से कंधा मिलाने के हम यहाँ आए। वंदे मातरम, वंदे अन्ना हज़ारे तुम आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं। अन्ना हज़ारे तुम आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं।
Well, it's been raining all through the night and through this morning as well, but that really hasn't stopped a lot of supporters of this movement to come out. More and more students, especially from across colleges in the city, are coming in. I have several supporters of this movement with me at this point in time. Ma'am, tell us why you are here and how are you extending your support?
You see, one thing I'm very much pained is, it is because of Anna Hazare that these scoundrels and the politicians are in jail, and unfortunately it is him who is sharing the same jail with these people. Does he fit that?
The momentum is increasing. There is a nasha, there is a josh here. We have from all walks of life. People are coming out of frustration, they are disgusted, They are pained every day in their life. So I think this momentum is going to take, it's going to be like, it's going to be a wildfire.
The message to the government is loud and clear. The real fight against corruption is on, gaining ground every passing day. And it's not just limited to the streets. The online world is buzzing. Tech-savvy India speaking the Gandhian language.
Let's have a look at some of the tweets in favor of Anna Hazare. Kartikeya Surabhi here is saying that I haven't seen Gandhiji any time, but now I do know he's called Anna Hazare. More tweets here. Let's bring the Gandhian time back from then. Let's have a protest for freedom against corruption. I support Anna Hazare.
India is raising slogans. India is also sitting in a silent protest. The support for this man is swelling. His fast feeding the people's hunger for a watertight anti-corruption law. Bureau Report, News X.